Well, hello everyone. This is Physics Ramakrishna sir, Physics IIT JEE faculty. So today I want to discuss about the particular topic of relative velocity, riverboat concept. Now here when you see the boat is moving in a river in a one-dimensional motion, let this is the bank of a river. So case 1 I am discussing. Here the river is moving towards right side direction. So this is the velocity of river or river current. This from point A to point B, that the boat is moving in forward direction. This is the velocity of the boat, VB. So these two are moving in same direction. So now here the velocity, resultant velocity can be taken as VR plus VB we can take. So this is the resultant velocity I am taking. Now here as it was moving from point A to move B, the length is L, let consider, distance is L, let consider. Now here the time taken by the boat, that I am taking as T1, is nothing but distance by velocity, distance by VR we can write, distance by V small r plus VB we can write. So V small r is nothing but velocity of river, VB is the velocity of the boat, where V capital R is nothing but resultant velocity I am taking. This is the case 1. So when you consider case 2, suppose, so this is the bank of a river. A to B, as I considered the distance is L. Suppose if the boat is moving in opposite direction, velocity of the boat, this is the velocity of river, this is the bank of river. Now the distance is L. The resultant velocity VR can be taken as VB minus VR, because it is moving opposite direction to the river. So this is known as upstream motion we can say. So this is known as downstream motion. Now the time taken by the boat to move from point B to A is nothing but T2 I am taking. T2 is nothing but distance by velocity. Distance by velocity is VB minus VR we can write. This is the time taken by the boat. Now here one more case I will consider, case 3. Boat moving in a still water. When boat moving in a still water, now the velocity of the boat with respect to the river is nothing but velocity of the boat we can write. Now by the time here the velocity of river is 0, the boat is moving in the still water, the time taken, let I am considering here, suppose that it was traveled distance of length L, the time taken can be taken as T3, distance by velocity VBR we can write. VBR and VB both are same, because the velocity of river is 0. Now we'll consider the case 4. Boat engine off or acts like a float. The boat will be acts like a float. Now in this case, when engine off, velocity of the boat is completely 0 we can write. Now by the time we can write here is velocity of river as was acting like a float, by the time the velocity of the boat would be equal to 0. Velocity of the boat is 0 individually when there is no river flow. If the river flow is 0, here it is acting like a float. When it is acting like a float, here the velocity of the river would be equal to velocity of the boat when it is acting like a float. Engine off. Individually it is not having any velocity. Here its velocity would be equal to velocity of a river. So now velocity of a river is equal to velocity of the boat, we can write here in this case. Here these are the 4 different cases to solve the one-dimensional motion of a boat within a river. So the next session we will discuss about two-dimensional motion. Thank you very much.